Hello, my name is Samara. This is Robin.
Hello.
We ate a gator jigsaw a couple days ago, and Robin wanted to eat another pepper, and what I had ready were these golden Primatalis. The Primotalii is a cross between the seven pot Primo and the Fatali pepper, and it is one of the hottest out there. The chocolate variety is considered to be one of the most painful types of peppers. I've found that the golden is rather on par with the chocolate. So, she decided she wanted to be brave. So, we're just gonna cut them open.
In for a penny, in for a pound.
Oh, as they say.
It's time to hit the Scoville jackpot.
Cut this in half. Oh my god. So this is the inside of mine. All of that placenta in there. The pith. Oh god. That's scary. I'll cut yours too if you'd like.
I feel like I shouldn't look. Ignorance is bliss.
Right. God. That's yours.
Not bad, not bad.
Smell it.
Interesting. That smells really tasty.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hell
Gonna
yeah.
savor that last good moment before consumption.
It smells like kind of grassy, but really, really mean.
It's very pleasant. Famous last word.
Right? You ready?
Yeah, no.
Oh no!
Saved it.
Still got two. Alright. Cool.
Alright. Oh, I forgot we're eating hot peppers.
Mm-hmm. Tastes like chemicals.
Gotta get all the parts that got stuck in my teeth, so it's done. It's done. It's dealt with. Oh. Yep.
Gets in the throat, huh?
Yeah. Back to the good old Reaper days. In the ears.
For me, when the ears start going, that tells me I'm about to get an endorphin rush.
It's speaking to my brain. It doesn't. Ooh.
Very bitter. You okay?
Yeah, it's refilling my water in the other room. That wouldn't be on the microphone.
What you feeling?
I hear the flames. audiobook of Dante's Inferno. My throat's fine. I think I somehow swallowed it through my ear canal.
Told you should have used your mouth.
Whew. That's no joke.
It's pretty crazy. I grew these in my apartment. Oh, they're mean.
Not even scented.
It's giving me whiskey chest. Oh, God.
My nose is pouring.
I know.
Oh my goodness.
I haven't eaten anything hot like that in a minute. Oh, thank you. I think I need some stomach rehab.
I have that by a little bit.
Yeah.
Woo.
Alright. I'll talk to you later. Click on the stuff to do the things.
Oh, sorry.
Pray I don't throw up. I love you.